Okay, we're at the graveyard, and this bird is by a baby who passed away, and it's protecting this graveyard. And every time you come close to it, it start hollering. Now I'm backing up. Now, watch. I'm going closer. This bird is ready to attack. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm walking away from it. But whoever this baby is, he is protecting it. Aww. What's the name? I'm not going to mess with it. This baby passed in 2003. His name is Chris Stinger Waters. November 1st, 2002. Look at this bird. Okay, I back up. And it's a pretty bird. Whoever baby that passed at that time, this bird is protecting it. Okay, I'm backing up. Oh, Lord. Backing up. Okay, I'm out. Now, see how quiet the bird gets? As soon as you come close, watch. There he go. He's ready to attack. See, that bird is getting ready to come after me. All right.